guys, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be doing this project called Beady Animals. So yeah, this is it, and it's not really mine, but it's my brother's, but he never uses it, and it's been in my room, so I decided to use it. By the way, this is not sponsored. But yeah, please like this video, comment down below some other videos that you want me to do, and subscribe and click the notification bell. So yeah, let's get started. I've done this. Whoa, that was loud. So I've already done this once with my brother, but like he's really done it and not really me. But okay, so we're gonna be doing this giraffe. And technically, I'll tell you what you do. So there's this little tool that you can spread around it. And there's these colors with foamy balls in them. And you put them on the thing, decorate it, and then it'll dry and keep the colors on it. So yeah. First color we're going to get is some yellow. And the better way to explain it is it's technically slime. Gotta get this all off of me. But the thing is, it's actually look at me. It's actually very sticky. So we have to be a bit careful. And we're just gonna start. And you gotta just stick them wherever you want them to be. So yeah. And I'm just going to keep putting yellow all over this animal until I want a new color. And yeah, you might get bored of this, but we're just going to keep going with it. Short time lapse, so I'm not doing much of the yellow. So yeah, now let's get purple. You can't even really see what I'm doing. That's why you can't really see me, but like. So we just got the purple. Oh god, this is so much more sticky. So this one might have melted, but that's okay. So just so you can see what I'm doing. The same thing I did last time, but I'm actually not going to be doing as much purple because it's actually really sticky, and it's not really, like, yeah, sticking to the giraffe, but we're just going to go with it, because, you know, I already put it on, and I can't just not do it anymore. I'm just going to keep putting this everywhere. Well, not everywhere, but in some places of the giraffe until I don't want any more. And I'm not, that's probably all the purple I'm going to, whoa, it's a mess. And you could be using the tool, but that's the wrong lid, isn't it? Yes, it is. Smart me. Hi. I'm making a video. Okay, well. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna keep making this. I had to make a quick stop just so I could. Sorry, guys. So yeah, I'm now gonna get my next color, which is gonna be blue. Let's get my mixing tool, and we're gonna get there, because I think what happened was all the foam separated, and now all the foam beads are at the top and the actual like glue sticky stuff. Okay, well, we're not gonna use blue. I don't really want to get. Let's use green though. green's a good color. Now we'll use the scooper for this one because I didn't get to use the scooper for the last one. And you're just going to scoop a bit on. Ooh, no, there it's scooper. And just put it in the place you want it to be in. Okay, that was a bit much. Okay, this is a big ol' mess. The title is this video, Failed Trying to Make a Beady Animal. Okay, you know what? I'm not even cleaning my hands. We're just gonna go with it. Okay, now I'm just gonna fill the rest of the gaps with red. Nice, beautiful red. They make it look so flipping easy on the package. The struggle is real. Ooh, we missed out a whole big gap. Sorry, don't mind my sister in the background. She's being loud. So, apparently we're not going to film the gaps with red. Because we're not. Because there's too many gaps. And I don't want this to be a red giraffe. Or it might have to be because that's so flipping hard. I think we need to do more purple because the purple's pretty. Shoot, I forgot this was the stickiest one. And by the way, let me just explain. You're going to be hearing a ton of noise in the background because we're like going on holiday or vacation, whatever you want to call it soon. We're not ready. That's okay, because I haven't packed one thing yet. Go me. We're going to do a bit more green. Just a bit more. It's everywhere. And that's just kind of, yeah, it. And I am sorry I'm a blabbermouth. I just have a lot to say. So yeah, let's continue. So I have just finished, and I figured out that yellow was the easiest to work with, so I kind of may have coated like the whole entire thing in yellow. This smiley face is green, but we might have to redo that part. Now I'm filming.
Are you talking?
No, so yeah, this is the beautiful giraffe. Yeah, take a second to stare at it. It's big. So I just finished cleaning my hands off and everything. And yeah. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, because I did. And yeah. Come back for my next video, but please comment down below some video ideas. And yeah, bye guys.